Meaning of fertilization.
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 Fertilization. Fertilization refers to the process by which a sperm cell combines with an egg cell, resulting in the formation of a zygote. This zygote contains the genetic information from both the mother and father and will ultimately develop into an embryo and eventually a fetus. The process of fertilization is critical for the continuation of a species, as it allows for genetic diversity and the creation of unique individuals. Without fertilization, reproduction and the continuation of life would not be possible.